What's up YouTube? My name is JC and today I will teach you how to hit the right note when singing even if you already have recorded your vocals. Yes, yes, and yes! Let's tune your recorded vocals inside a DAW or DAW or what we call digital audio workstation. But before anything else, hit the red button down below to subscribe to this channel, including the bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. The vocals that I'll be tuning is from the recently uploaded video, How to Mix a Cover Song. You can check the link at the description down below. With that, let's go jump right in.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own.
This is the voice of my daughter Iya, and I recorded her vocals right here inside our room. As kids, they're prone to not hit the notes right perfectly. Sometimes it's a bit sharp or sometimes it's a bit flat. So that's what we're going to achieve right now. We're going to, as much as possible, put her voices, especially those endings, put those endings in the right tune. So here's how it goes. Down right here at the effects section, we are going to insert retune effects. This is a tuning plug-in from Reaper. I use this one to tune the vocals. So hit that, click OK, and this will be brought up. All right, so we will go here to manually correct her voice. Okay, I hope you are able to get that. Again, once this pops out, just go to manual correction right here and tick these small boxes right here, manual correction and track pitch. So when you hit play, it will give you a representation of the notes. Here's how it is.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own.
Alright, so if you play through the song, it will record all of this ups and downs of the voices. So these are the notes that she's hitting. But I noticed that there's a part that she wasn't able to hit properly. It's the ending of that phrase. Here, let's listen to it again.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own.
There you go. So I'm hearing it a bit sharp from the notes that's supposed to be. So let me just zoom into that one.
All my own.
My own. That's what we're trying to achieve. Own.
All my own.
So it's a bit sharp. Call my own, or something like that. But we're going to achieve own, more or less, right? So what you do is to put a click here and then drag to the end of that, just the end of that word or that syllable. All right, so let's try to hear it again.
All my own.
Let's hear it again from the same area.
All my own.
We'll see if we can reach the call my own.
All my own. All my own. All my own. All my own. Own. Call my own. Through the dark, through all my own. All my own. All my own.
It sounds a bit weird, so we'll just stick to that that note, this note right here. Call my own.
My own. My own. My own. My own.
Before we continue, let me just turn off the reverb. Oops. I'll turn off the reverb so that it won't affect our tuning.
Own. 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 Through the dark, through the door, through the door, through the door, through where no one's been, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. Through the crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. Crazy, I've lost my mind.
Hear that part?
I've lost my mind.
So instead of making it mama, it's kind of wavy, so we're gonna flatten it out. This is what I'm saying, the ends of the phrases. So the ends of the phrases. This takes a little time to practice, but with practice it can make you perfect. Now it's time to go to my voice. Start from here. Every night I lie in bed. Going to insert that tune plug in again, but I need to turn off the reverb for now. So once this pops up, manual correction, tick it, and of course the track pitch is going to be ticked as well. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think. All right. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. Just put that right there. Awake. It's a bit flat. Awake. I think of what the world could be. A vision of the one I see. Of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Alright, a bit sharp. Gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. To the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Bit sharp. Every nice thing to this one is the vibrato won't be affected. Let's continue. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. Bed, the brightest colors fill my head. My head. A million dreams, I think of what dreams, I think of what the world could be. Vision of the one I see, a million dreams, and I see a bit sharp, put it down a bit. And I see a million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams. That's a bit flat. Let's try putting it up a notch. It's too much. Go back. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. So that's it. That's how it's done. Let me tell you this. Nothing replaces a well-recorded vocals. As much as possible, the vocals is already in perfect tune. But if there really is some sharps and some flats in the area, then you can use this retune, this tuning VST plugins in your DAW. Alright? If you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up, and I would greatly appreciate that. If there's something you want me to cover about recording, don't hesitate to comment down below. You may also share this video to your friends who are recording enthusiasts, those who have home recording studios, and the like. Again, this has been JC. Peace out.